ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hadin Bagatanat Food Corporation of India kala persang bansam ya ukhaw ya operatip kumu fortified rice balamang kerpang na gabenta ki kena kala don kajing artatin jong ki pajba ban pediang nyu to ukhaw namar kajing sapriang ki khubor lamler ba udai ukhaw bala khle lang madukhaw plastik. Haka bayade bat kani ka benta nagaliang jong ka Batisi TV haka arpo hunyo tarik ubenai naiwing arajar arpuway kala yo lat banyak keren markhamat baru technical assistant ke FCI Nongston UHL Michael Anel haka ba ulo pensyai ba ukhaw fortified rice udai ukhaw bala khle lang bat ki vitamins ba kentop yo iron folic acid bat vitamin B12 nagabenta ka kot ka khia jong ki khna. Susulia toru ba yo tayu khao balamang kerpang na kabenta ki khana la debru ban pediang ne approve daga Food Safety and Standard Authority of India but aware ki paj ba bakim day ban ting ne artatin hanrei ki day ban shim bat pediang yo tayu khao. Hagajo ko poru la kenturu baki paj ba kim day ban sngap ki khobor lamler ki bala persang banyalam bakla da ka baong ba uniu khao udai ukhaw bala khle plastik namar ba day satya ukhaw bala khle plastik hanrei udai u vitamin baka sorkar kala pen kre na ka benta ka jingko jingkhia jongki khna.
In FCI we have received recently fortified rice. We have received two kinds of rice. One is normal rice and fortified rice, mainly meant for the school children, the midday meal. This fortified rice is nutrients added with folic acid, then vitamin B12 and iron. So the government of India has made this rice specifically for all the young children because most of the children they are suffering from malnutrition. This fortified rice approved by FSSAI, Food Safety Security Act of India. It is government approved. Without any food comes under FSSAI, and this is fully approved. So it consists of multivitamin B12, iron and folic acid, which is the necessity of the children growth. I encourage the public to take this rice because it is approved by FSSAI, the Food Security Act of India, Safety Security Act of India, by the government. So it is meant for the children so that our children will not suffer malnutrition. So I encourage the wholesalers not to believe in the hearsay from WhatsApp or Facebook. This is not fake rice or plastic rice. It is a nutritious rice. It contains multivitamins, folic acid, iron. It is for the growth of children. So please help spread this awareness so that the parents can also take this rice and give it to the children for the betterment.